So get ready, folks, because the Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be Google's boldest move yet. If the Pixel 9 launch felt big, this is about to be next level. Leaks have been popping up left and right, but now, even Google couldn't keep the lid on. Their own FCC filings just blew the doors wide open. Yep, this is no anonymous rumor mill. This is straight from regulatory documents filed by Google, confirming the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and for the first time ever, a massive Pixel 10 Pro XL. These aren't placeholders. They're legit, with model numbers and real hardware details. The base Pixel 10 is listed under GLBWO, GL066, and GK2MP. The Pro variant shows up as G4QUR, but the real heavyweight, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, is labeled GUL82. And these filings aren't just naming names, they're spilling actual tech specs. Starting with the Pro XL, the docs confirm wireless charging, Wi-Fi 6E, thread support, and ultra-wideband, UWB. But here's the twist, Samsung is once again behind the modem, likely with an upgraded version of what we saw in the Pixel 9 series. The Pixel 10 Pro? Nearly identical on the connectivity front. Same wireless charging, Wi-Fi 6E, thread, UWB, and yep, that Samsung modem's in play here too. So whether you go Pro or XL, expect top-tier connectivity baked in. As for the regular Pixel 10, it dials things back a bit. The listing confirms wireless charging and Wi-Fi 6E, but no thread or UWB support. Still, it's running on a Samsung modem as well, which hints that Google's going all in on modem consistency across the lineup. And here's a curveball. All three models are listed with satellite support, also known as NTN or non-terrestrial network connectivity. It made its debut in the Pixel 9 series, but this shows Google's serious about keeping users connected no matter where they are. But we're not done. A recent leak just dropped European pricing, and guess what? No price hike. Despite all these upgrades, pricing across the Pixel 10 series in Europe appears unchanged. On top of that, more leaks are hinting at larger batteries for both the base and XL models. That's more power without paying more. So, what do you think? Is Google finally ready to steal the spotlight from Apple and Samsung? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.